It's over. Toyota is abandoning EV development plans. Toyota might have made the most shocking plan, and everyone is still reeling from this action. We all know how the electric vehicle industry has been thriving over the years, as automotive manufacturers continue diving into that industry. Well, Toyota is not one of them anymore. The Japanese automotive manufacturer recently announced that it is abandoning all EV-related plans and is now focusing on a technology better than electric cars. Why did Toyota make such a weird move? And what technology are they working on? Join us as we explore why Toyota is abandoning EV development plans. In 2021, the global sales of electric vehicles reached about 6.6 million units, a huge record compared to the 2.1 million units sold in 2019. This number continued to grow through 2022, reaching 10.5 million units. But as the rest of the world is racing to further embrace the electric car revolution, Toyota has changed directions. The automotive manufacturer shocked the market with its announcement, stating that it is scrapping all plans to develop electric vehicles. They claim that EVs are not the best solution for reducing greenhouse gas emissions because they pose severe challenges to the power grid and battery supply chain. On the other hand, Tesla has been a trailblazer in the electric vehicle market. And the other major car makers like Ford, Volkswagen, and Hyundai are investing billions of dollars in order to catch up. This still does not faze Toyota. Instead, the Japanese company decided that a diversified approach to achieving carbon neutrality could be a winning formula for the Japanese automaker. What could this formula be? Well, here's a hint. Hydrogen. News about Toyota transitioning to hydrogen cars has been met with mixed reactions from experts and consumers alike. While some people are excited about the potential of hydrogen fuel cells to power a more substantial future, others are skeptical about the technology's viability. Toyota has been a global leader in the car industry for decades, thanks to its innovative and diverse lineup of vehicles. The Corolla, one of Toyota's flagship models, is one of the best-selling cars. With over 50 million units sold worldwide, Toyota accounted for 11.5% of all vehicles sold worldwide in 2022. The Japanese giant sold about 10.5 million cars globally, flooring Volkswagen's 8.2 million and Hyundai's 6.8 million. Also, Toyota only launched one pure EV model so far, which didn't go well. In June 2022, Toyota had to recall the BZ4X electric crossover SUV, which was released in April that same year, because of the risk of the wheels falling off while driving. Toyota has a history of innovation in creating new car segments and markets. For example, the Toyota Celica was a popular, affordable sports car that dominated its category for years. The Toyota Yaris was a reliable and efficient subcompact car with a small engine, just enough power and durability to last over 400,000 miles without significant problems. And anyone knows the Toyota Prius. The second-generation model pioneered the hybrid craze, setting the pace for Toyota's hybrid models to be known for their high efficiency and practicality. They also had a decent electric range without sacrificing power or fuel economy. In fact, some Toyota hybrids could get up to 63 miles per gallon, which is still impressive by today's standards. While they may be late to the EV party, compared to other European and US brands, Toyota doesn't seem to care. The company has been focusing on an alternative to fossil fuel-powered cars, and they have now come up with hydrogen fuel cell engines. Hydrogen fuel cars offer significant advantages as they use the most abundant element in the universe. By harnessing hydrogen as a power source, car manufacturers can create both cost-effective and environmentally friendly vehicles. Unlike fossil fuel cars emitting harmful CO2, hydrogen fuel cars can produce zero emissions, making them a greener alternative. Hydrogen fuel vehicles are also eco-friendly because they only release water as exhaust, which doesn't pollute the environment. Additionally, they offer greater range and quicker refueling times than EVs. Toyota has pioneered the hydrogen field, with Toyota Mirai leading the charge since 2014. Other automakers like Honda and Hyundai have followed suit with their hydrogen-powered vehicles. However, Toyota's commitment to hydrogen power extends beyond fuel cell vehicles. They have developed an experimental internal combustion engine powered by hydrogen. It is based on their renowned 1.6-liter three-cylinder turbocharged engine in popular models like the Corolla GR and Yaris GR. These hydrogen-powered internal combustion engines match the horsepower of their gasoline counterparts while providing fast refueling akin to traditional combustion engines. Hydrogen fuel cars offer numerous advantages. Their production process is cleaner, easier, and cheaper than battery-powered electric cars. Moreover, hydrogen as a fuel is both renewable and abundant, therefore ensuring a sustainable future. The confidence in this technology has allowed Toyota's lineup of hydrogen fuel cars to expand, as models like the Toyota Corolla GR-H2, Toyota Yaris GR-H2, and the Toyota Corolla Cross H2 are equipped with innovative three-cylinder engines. Still, why did Toyota decide to go against the electric route and find another path? This happened because the company's former CEO, Akio Toyoda, was notoriously critical of EVs. He claimed they were overhyped and environmentally unfriendly, and he confirmed this during a press conference in Las Vegas. He said, "Battery electric vehicles are just going to take longer than the media would like us to believe." Akio Toyoda further expounded on the company's strategy, emphasizing that Toyota's goal remained the same: to cater to the broadest range of customers with a diverse array of powertrains. This lineup includes hybrids like the iconic Prius, hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, and traditional internal combustion engine gasoline models. Toyota defends its strategy by justifying that EV adoption rates and infrastructure development vary across different regions. Not all parts of the world will embrace EVs simultaneously due to the high vehicle costs and infrastructure limitations. This is why Toyota aims to offer choices and refrain from prematurely jumping into EV production until they understand market trends better. Its top 5 markets, comprising the US, China, Japan, Canada, and Australia, account for nearly 6 million global sales. These countries exhibit higher EV adoption rates and governmental incentives for transitioning to electric vehicles. Conversely, less developed markets like Indonesia and Thailand, which are Toyota's next most prominent markets, contribute only 1 million sales combined. With news of Toyota's CEO stepping down, analysts and investors hope for a potential change in Toyota's EV stance, expecting the company to catch up with competitors like Tesla, Volkswagen, and Hyundai. Unfortunately for them, the mandate still stands, as Toyota's long-term plans do not revolve around the market's short-term opinions. As the world's largest carmaker by production volume, it operates with a visionary perspective spanning 20, 50, and even 100 years. The departing CEO, Mr. Toyoda, is not severing ties with the company. Instead, he is moving up to the position of chairman, where he continues to oversee strategy. The newly appointed CEO, carefully chosen by Mr. Toyoda, aligns with his values, which should come as no surprise. While other automakers rush headlong into pure electrification, Toyota stands as a rebel in the playground, playing a different game on the board. They understand that in a world with diverse opinions, not everyone believes EVs are the ultimate solution. As a result, they recognize that a significant portion of the population still prefers conventional vehicles, and for the foreseeable future, Toyota intends to cater to those customers. According to a report by Bloomberg NEF, EVs are projected to constitute 50% of global passenger car sales by 2035 and 70% by 2040. However, this doesn't mean that there would be a complete disappearance of internal combustion engine vehicles from the roads. Cars have an average lifespan of around 20 years, meaning that gas-powered vehicles sold in 2040 will reach the end of their life cycle by 2060. While some countries and regions have announced plans to ban or phase out ICE vehicles by specific dates, not all nations have committed to such ambitious targets. Although the United States hasn't set a federal mandate to phase out ICE vehicles, some states, like California, have established plans in place. Similarly, China, the largest car market globally, hasn't specified a date for phasing out ICE vehicles, although it has set a goal for EVs to comprise 40% of new car sales by 2030. Amidst this landscape, Toyota stands firm with its diversified strategy. While electric vehicles are leading the race, Toyota believes they may not be the only substantial way to propel cars in the long run. Under the previous and current CEOs, the company's philosophy revolves around keeping options open and allowing people to decide for themselves. Although Toyota has made some mistakes along the way, they have a loyal customer base that consistently ranks Toyota vehicles higher in customer satisfaction surveys. Furthermore, Toyota's vast customer base extends beyond the Western world. Millions of customers across Asia, Africa, and South America still prioritize Toyota vehicles and may not be as concerned about the absence of a competitive EV offering. The new CEO, Koji Sato, emphasizes the importance of remaining flexible in tailoring products and energies to different carbon-neutral needs in diverse markets. This emergence of two new technologies about to clash brings us to a dilemma, and we need you to respond. Is Toyota making a wise move by adhering to its diversified strategy, or is it overlooking the potential of EVs and missing out on leading the transition to an all-electric future? Let us know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel as to get more news about the automotive industry.